Welcome to Homework Math. This video we are simplifying three fractions. Let's start. First one, x square minus 1 divide x plus 3. This one we can write, look, x square minus 1 square means 1. So this one we can write x minus 1 or x plus 1 times x minus 1. Basis of a square minus b square theory, and divide x plus 3. Divide, here we can take common x, so x plus 1, and this one x square minus 4x plus 3 we can factorize by middle term, like x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. Divide, here is x square minus 2x plus 1. This one also we factorize like x square minus x plus 1. 1 times 1 means 1, minus x means minus 2x. Divide 7. So here is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Divide x plus 3. Here is divide x plus 1 times x, and here we can take common x, so x minus 3 minus 1 x minus 3. Okay, divide, here is common x minus 1, minus 1 common x minus 1. Divide 7. Okay, so here is x plus 1 times x minus 1. Divide x plus 3. Here is division sign, we use product sign, so here is x minus 3 times x minus 1, and denominator x times x plus 1. Again here is also product sign, so 7 will become numerator and denominator x minus 1 times x minus 1. So now we found out what kinds of expression we can out. Look, here is x minus 1 and here is x minus 1 we can out, and here is x plus 3, x plus 1 and x plus 1 we can out. Again here is x minus 1 we can out. So our answer is 7 divide x times x plus 3, right? And here is also x minus 3, so 7 times x minus 3. This is our answer. So it's not tough math, I hope you understand. So don't hesitate if you have any question. Look, simplify the fraction. I try to solve more than 20 math like this, so it will very help you for examination. Thank you very much for being with me.